Hello, my dear children and parents. Greetings from Indus Valley Public School, Rat. Welcome, my dear children, to the e-learning classes of Indus Valley Public School, Rat, where we will be doing a lesson from First Flight. The name of the lesson is A Letter to God. This lesson is written by G.L. Fuentes. So, my dear children, in this letter, we will be seeing the utmost faith in God. Okay? So, in this lesson, we will find two characters. First one is Lencho, the protagonist, that is the main character. Second one, the postmaster, who has done the good deed to Lencho. Okay? So, now, in this lesson, A Letter to God, this story captures moral lesson on faith, greed and appreciation. This is what we will be seeing in this lesson. It shows the utmost invisible faith of a person towards God. Faith is invisible, but it has the power to connect you to what you need. Means इतना ज़्यादा अगर आपके पास faith है, विश्वास है, तो you can do anything. And if your faith is deviating, then it is a little bit difficult task to achieve whatever you are thinking for. So, this story sets in Latin America. It is an American country story where was a farmer who was the main character. He wishes to get a good crop, but somehow destiny did not allow him to have the crop. So, because of his faith, he writes the letter to the God. He gets the reply, but he was not happy, and again he writes a letter. So let's see what is there in the story. So before we start reading, they say faith can move mountains. So somebody said कि अगर faith हो तो आप पहाड़ को भी हिला सकते हो, चला सकते हो. But what should we put our faith in? So where we should have the faith? This is a question. This is the question in the story delicately poses. So now, where to have the trust? Where to have the faith? This is what the question arises. Lencho is a farmer who writes a letter to God when his crops are ruined. Asked for 100 pesos. So now, Lencho, he had written a letter to the God when his crop is destroyed. जब उसका क्रॉप खराब हो जाता है लेंचो का, तो ही राइट अ लेटर टू द गॉड एंड इज आस्किंग फॉर 100 पैसों. डज लेंचोज लेटर रीच गॉड? डज गॉड सेंड हिम द मनी? थिंक what your answer to these questions would be, and guess how the story continues before you begin to read it. So, before we start with the story, these are the questions because of curiosity. Because he wrote the letter, तो अब लेटर गॉड को मिला, क्या गॉड ने उसको रिप्लाई किया? Then what will be the answer to his question if it is replied? So all these questions comes to our mind before we start with the story. अगर कोई story नहीं पढ़ता है तो उसको ये सारे questions mind में आते हैं. Similarly with you also, because you have not gone through the story. Now moving towards the story. Explanation. The house, the only one in the entire valley, set on the crest of the low hill. So here this house is of Lencho, only a lone house on the top of the mountain. वहाँ पे एक valley था, वहाँ पे एक अकेला घर था लेंचो का. From his height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. So now what happened? See here, image is there. So you will see a house is seen in the image, that is the Lencho's house, and side you see a field is there, that is the crop, and in between a river is there. So from his height means from where his house was there, so you can see, one can only see the river and the field, and that field always used to give good yield. मतलब बहुत ही अच्छी फसल होती थी वहाँ पे. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. So downpour here means rainfall or drizzling of rain. So here उस ground को where corn crop is there, it needs lot of water. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his field intimately, मतलब he was knowing clearly about his field, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. So full day he was just looking at the sky for the rain because he knows the need of his field. तो वो कुछ नहीं किया, सुबह से लेके वो शाम तक बस देखता रहा कि अब बारिश होएगी, अब बारिश होएगी, अब बारिश होएगी, that way. Okay? So now we are really going to get some water, woman. So now he is telling to his wife कि by seeing the atmosphere, by seeing the sky, we can have rainfall. The woman who was preparing supper replied, yes, good God willing. So his wife, she was preparing dinner and she said, yes, agar Bhagwan ki iksha, if God wills, then it will rain. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them, come for dinner. So now his children were playing, some were working in the field, and as soon as the dinner was ready, she called up. Okay. So dotted means full of, downpour, heavy rainfall, and intimately, closely. These are the new words. Please go through it. Next. It was during the meal that just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. So now, in between the meal, when they were having their dinner at that time, Lencho already predicted about the rain, so big drops of rain began to fall. Drops of rain, they were coming. बड़ी-बड़ी बूंदें गिरने लगी. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching, and from the northeast side, उसको बड़े-बड़े clouds नजर आ रहे थे. Huge clouds were coming towards him. The air was fresh and sweet. So now he was smelling the air, and air was also pleasantful. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And when he returned, he exclaimed. So now what happened? So exclaimed means cry out suddenly, means he was overjoyed with happiness. So as soon as he saw the drops, he just went out in order to have the feel of that raindrops. कभी आप लोगों ने भी फील किया होगा कि जब आप बारिश में चढ़ो बड़ी-बड़ी बूंदें तो it start little bit आपको हल्का सा hurt होता है. But that it is not hurt for him. He was enjoying that drops. And let's see what he is saying. And he was very happy to see the rain. So he started claimed. These aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. The big drops are 10-cent pieces and the little one are 5. So now he compared the drops with the cents. He is saying bigger drop is 10 cents and smaller drop is 5 cents. Why he is comparing? Because if proper rain will there, his crop is going to be good and he is going to sell and he will earn quite huge amount of money. So he was very happy and he is comparing big drops with 10 cents and small drop with 5 cents. Okay. So with a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. So now see, this is the corn and draped in a curtain means you will see कि जो आपका corn होता है वो हमेशा एक cover में होता है, मतलब उसके ऊपर leaves लगी रहती हैं. So that means covered up. जैसे कपड़े से हम किसी चीज़ को कवर कर देते हैं, similarly this is wrapped. So what? With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with his flower draped in a curtain of rain. So now he was very much satisfied. Why? It is raining. So he was satisfied कि अब उसकी जो क्रॉप्स है बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी, जो फ्लावर्स हैं वो कॉर्न में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे एंड इट विल बी ड्रैप्ड बिकॉज ऑफ रेन, वो पूरा कवर्ड हो जाएगा. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstone began to fall. Now what happened? All of a sudden, that rain converted into huge rain, and wind was blowing, and with the rain, hailstorm was coming. Hailstorm means वो जो ओले गिरते हैं बर्फ के, that started falling. These truly did resemble new silver coins. तो अब boys को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं. And everyone, now this Lencho was saying, okay fine, again this will be something good. So it is a silver coin. They compared that hailstorm with the silver coin. The boy, exposing themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearl. So now these boys, they went out and they started collecting the hailstorm, and they said this is a pearl for them. It really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. Now he became sad and he is saying, if this will not stop, hailstorm will not stop, then it is going to be something very bad. I hope it passes quickly. It did not pass quickly. So now Lencho was expecting it should stop at the earlier. जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी ये rainfall stop हो जाए. But it was not stopping. For an hour the hail rained on the house. Hail rained the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. So for an hour this hailstorm was going on. Whole house was covered, valley was covered, everything was covered with hail. The field was white as if covered with salt. और जो field थी वो पूरी white नज़र आ रही थी as if salt. That field is covered with the salt. Not a leaf remained on the tree. अब जब वो आपका हेल स्टॉर्म पेड़ पे पड़ेगा तो सारी लीव्स इट इज़ गोइंग टू ऑफ. So not a single leaf was there on the tree. The corn was totally destroyed. So whatever the flower came in the corn tree, it was gone. The flowers were gone from the plant. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. So now, as soon as he was happy to see the rain, he's now after the rainfall over or at the end of the rain, his heart was sad. He was sad from his heart. मतलब बारिश शुरू होने पे टाइम पे जितना खुश था उतना ही वो दुखी हो गया जैसे ही बारिश बंद हो गई. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his son. अब जैसे बारिश खत्म, सब कुछ खत्म. Now he was standing in the field. See, in the picture also he is standing there. And now he is saying to his son. What he is saying? A plague of locust would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. So now he is saying plague of locust. Locust होता है ये देखिए this type of insect. These insect who destroy the crops. ठीक है. तो plague of insect means झुंड जब इनका आता है. Then when this insect come in a large quantity and they destroy the field. So now Lencho is saying to his children that even they have left something for us. मतलब अगर ये plague of locust भी आते तो वो कुछ छोड़ के चले जाते हैं हमारे लिए field में. But the hail had left nothing. बस जो hail आया है उसने कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा हमारे लिए. That night, this year we will have no corn. And he is saying this year we will not have a single corn. That night was a sorrowful one. So when which night? The rainfall wala night was very sorrowful for Lencho and his family. All our work for nothing. Whatever he did hard work for his field, everything goes in vain. सब कुछ बेकार हो जाता है. There no one who can help us, and as he was living alone with his family, so no one is going to help him. We all go hungry this year. And he is saying that this year we are going to die with starvation. मतलब भूख से मरेंगे. We do not have anything to eat because their field got destroyed. They are not able to earn anything. So how they are going to survive? Next. But in the hearts of all who lived in the solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from the God. Solitary means alone. So now what happened? In that valley, alone means in that particular place where he was living, it's all alone. So when that person was all alone, so he was having a single hope of help, and that was the help from God. So Lencho was having a hope that God is going to help him from this critical situation. Don't be so upset, even though this seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies of hunger. So now Lencho is saying to his family that do not get upset even though we have lost our crop, because no one is going to die with hunger. Even though we are having total loss, मतलब पूरा loss हो जाने के बाद भी हम में से कोई भी भूख से नहीं मरेगा. This was the confidence shown by Lencho towards his family. That's what they said. No one dies of hunger. और जब लेंचो ने अपना कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाया तो his family members also supported him and they said that's what they say, no one dies of hunger. वो लोग भी उसको support किए. All through the night, Lencho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he has been instructed, see everything, even what is deep in one's conscience. So now what happened? For the full night, he was looking at the God, and then he was expecting that he will be he will be helped from the God. So what happened? सो उसका जो कॉन्साइंस होता है मीन्स इनर सेंस, जो उसका अंतरात्मा होती है जो आपको सही गलत बताती है. सो लेंचो पूरी रात ही वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट द ओनली वन ऑप्शन दैट इज लेफ्ट, दैट वॉज टू सीक द हेल्प फ्रॉम द गॉड whom he had been informed that उसको ये पता था कि भगवान की जो आँखें होती हैं, हैज इट आइट्स एंड ईयर एवरीवेयर, भगवान की जो आँखें होते हैं, कान होते हैं, वो हर जगह होते हैं, वो लोगों की बात सुनते हैं, लोगों को समझते हैं. सो नाउ व्हाट ही डिड, सो लेंचो वॉज एन ऑक्स ऑफ मैन. ऑक्स ऑफ मैन इस फ्रेज का मतलब होता है हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन. सो लेंचो वॉज एन ऑक्स ऑफ मैन working like an animal in the fields, but still he knew how to ride. Even though he was working in the field, but he knows how to ride. Okay? So now, the following Sunday at daybreak, he began to write letter, which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. So, following Sunday means coming Sunday, he had written the letter early in the morning. Daybreak means morning time, and he wrote the letter. He went to the post office. He mailed the letter in the mailbox, and उसके ऊपर ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं लिखा था, उसने लिखा to God. What he had written, let's see. God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry this year. I need 100 peso in order to sow my field again and to live until the crop comes, because the hailstorm ... So now what happened? He had written to the God and he was requesting for 100 pesos. Peso is a currency that is used in America. So 1 peso is equal to 1.54 or 1.56, something like that. ठीक है, and he was expecting God to send him 100 pesos so that he can again have field. वो दोबारा से अपनी फील्ड को, क्रॉप को सो कर सके, एंड हिज फैमिली कैन ईजीली सर्वाइव. एंड ही सेड बिकॉज ऑफ हेलस्टॉर्म हिज फील्ड वॉज डिस्ट्रॉयड. सो ही वॉज अगेन रिक्वेस्टिंग टू द गॉड टू गिव हिम 100 peso. ही रोट टू गॉड ऑन द एनवेलप. उसने लेटर को एनवेलप के अंदर डाला और ऊपर पे लिख दिया टू गॉड. Put the letter inside and still troubled went to town. At the post office he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. लेटर एनवेलप के ऊपर उसने स्टैम्प लगाया एंड उसने मेल बॉक्स पे डाल दिया. One of the employees who was a postman and also helped at the post office went to his boss, laughing heartily, and showed him the letter to God. So now, अब मेल बॉक्स में पड़ा हुआ लेटर, तो पोस्टमैन ने लेटर निकाला. He started laughing and he brought that letter to his बॉस ऑल्सो. पोस्ट ऑफिस में लेके आता है, बहुत हंसता है क्योंकि वो लेटर टू दी गॉड होता है. नेवर इन हिज करियर एज अ पोस्ट मैन हैड ही नोन दैट एड्रेस. सो नाउ ही इज सेइंग थ्रू आउट हिज करियर, थ्रू आउट हिज वर्क एज अ पोस्ट मैन, ही नेवर सीन दिस एड्रेस. मतलब कौन सा एड्रेस? टू गॉड वाला. द पोस्ट मास्टर. सो हियर वी विल सी द फिजिकल अपीयरेंस ऑफ पोस्ट मास्टर एंड हिज नेचर. द पोस्ट मास्टर, अ फैट अमाइबल फेलो, also broke out laughing, but almost immediately he turned serious and, tapping the letter on his desk, commented, "What faith! I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter." So now what happened? The postman was fat person, he was very friendly person, so he also started laughing. After seeing the letter, he burst into laugh. तो वो बहुत तेज हंसा, but suddenly his laughing stopped. अब वो एक सीरियस मोड पे आ गया. एंड ही वॉज थिंकिंग व्हाट अटमोस्ट फेथ, कितना गहरा फेथ है लेंचो का गॉड के ऊपर कि उसने कुछ नहीं सोचा, इमीडिएटली गॉड को लेटर लिख दिया. एंड नाउ व्हाट दिस पर्सन इज थिंकिंग, उसने अपना ये लेटर डेस्क पे रखा पोस्ट मास्टर ने, एंड ही वॉज टॉल्टेड कमेंट, व्हाट फेथ! आई विश आई हैड द फेथ ऑफ द मैन हु रोट दिस लेटर. तो बोला काश इस इंसान का फेथ मैं रख सकूँ. आई हैड द फेथ मतलब उसका जो फेथ है वो इट शुड कंटिन्यू टूवर्ड्स द गॉड. उसका फेथ शुड नॉट डेविएट फ्रॉम द गॉड. स्टार्टिंग अप अ करस्पॉन्डेंस विद गॉड. नाउ ही स्टार्टेड अ कम्युनिकेशन. मतलब ही थॉट ऑफ रिप्लाइंग द लेटर. हु थॉट? पोस्टमैन थॉट ऑफ रिप्लाइंग द लेटर. So in order not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea. Answer the letter. So he thought of replying the letter. But when he opened it, it was evident that to answer it he need something more than goodwill, ink and paper. So as soon as postmaster read the letter, जैसे उसने letter पढ़ा तो he realized कि Miss Lencho did not only want a reply to the letter, but he wants something more than that. ठीक है? So Lencho did not only want a reply from the god, but he wants something more than that. But he stuck to his resolution. So here he is postmaster. So postmaster, he stuck to his resolution, means whatever he thought of, means replying to Lencho. So he did not deviate from his thinking. जो उसने सोचा, he was stuck on that point. He asked for money from his employees. He himself gave part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. So now उसने भी अपनी सैलरी का कुछ पार्ट, उसके एम्प्लॉयज़ ने, उसके फ्रेंड्स ने, एवरीबडी हैव कंट्रीब्यूटेड एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ चैरिटी एंड दे हैव कलेक्टेड द अमाउंट. It was impossible for him to gather together the 100 peso. So he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. So now it was very impossible for them to collect 100 pesos, even though many of them contributed, but they were not able to gather 100 peso. So it was more than 50%, but what? Let's see. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lencho, and with it a letter containing only a single word as a signature god. So now postmaster had collected the amount. He put that amount into the envelope, and then he only written signature god और कुछ नहीं किया. So now next. The following Sunday, Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. So now see again the confidence of Lencho. Next Sunday he came little bit early because he was 100% sure that he is going to get a reply from the god. And as soon as he reached the post office, he immediately asked whether there is a letter for him or not. He inquired about the receiving of letter. It was the postmaster himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster, experiencing the contentment of a man who has performed a good deed, looked on from his office. So now जैसे ही लेंचो इंक्वायर करता है लेटर के बारे में, तो पोस्टमैन ही हिमसेल्फ गो एंड गिव दैट लेटर, एंड द पोस्टमास्टर हु हैड डन अ गुड डीड, ही वाज वेरी मच सेटिस्फाइड कि एटलीस्ट ही विल बी हैप्पी, मीन्स लेंचो विल बी हैप्पी. सो postmaster was very much satisfied after doing his work, after doing his deed. So he was sitting inside the office and he was looking at the expression of Lencho. तो पोस्टमास्टर को फील हो रहा था कि लेंचो लेटर खोलेगा तो खुश होगा. सो ही जस्ट वॉन्ट टू सी दैट एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ हैप्पीनेस ऑन द फेस ऑफ लेंचो, in the face of Lencho. But see what happened. Lencho showed not the slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence, but he became angry when he counted the money. So Lencho, he was not surprised at all after receiving the letter. तो उसको कोई सरप्राइज नहीं था बिकॉज ही वॉज 100% श्योर कि वो लेटर आएगा. सो ही डिड नॉट शो एनी काइंड ऑफ सरप्राइज बिकॉज ऑफ हिज कॉन्फिडेंस. सो बट ही बिकेम एंग्री व्हेन ही काउंटेड द अमाउंट बिकॉज इट वॉज लिटिल लेस. गॉड could not have made a mistake nor could have denied Lencho what he had requested. So now Lencho is thinking that कि भगवान तो गलती कर नहीं सकता है और ना ही वो डिनाई कर सकता, मना कर सकता है कि जो भी लेंचो ने मांग की हो. So this is what Lencho was thinking. So immediately Lencho went up to the window to ask for a pen and for a paper and ink. So immediately Lencho goes to the counter. He collected paper and pen. Again he started writing. On the public writing table he started to write. So public table was there. He started writing there, with much wrinkling of his brows causing by the effort he had to make to express his ideas. So he was having this no, जैसे कि आपको गुस्सा आता है, कोई चीज़ आपको एक्सप्रेस करनी हो तो जो आपकी ब्रोस आईब्रोज होती हैं जो सिकुड़ जाती हैं, रिंकल्स आ जाते हैं. So similarly also he was expressing his anger, expressing his thing what he was writing, expressing all the expression was coming on his face by the wrinkles or eyebrows जो वहाँ पे wrinkle हो रहे थे. That way So he made all kind of efforts to write the letter. What he is writing, let's see. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp which he licked and then affixed to. So after writing the letter, he again went to the window. He asked for the stamp. He licked that stamp, मतलब उसको हल्का सा लिख किया, and he अफिक्स किया, उसके ऊपर फिक्स कर दिया स्टैम्प को. द एनवेलप विद अ ब्लो ऑफ द फिस्ट, मतलब जो आप मुट्ठी बांध के किसी को चिपकाना होता है तो मुट्ठी बांध के ठोकते हो ना, दैट इज़ द ब्लो ऑफ फिस्ट. द मोमेंट द लेटर फेल इन टू मेल बॉक्स द पोस्टमैन वेंट टू ओपन इट. तो जैसे ही मेल बॉक्स के अंदर वो लेटर जाता है तो पोस्टमैन जल्दी से जाके उसे निकालना चाहता है, बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट टू सी द ग्रैटिट्यूड, ग्रेटफुलनेस या थैंकफुलनेस, वॉट एवर, ही जस्ट वॉन्ट टू नो द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ लेंचो. सो ही इमीडिएटली गोज नियर द मेल बॉक्स in order to read the letter. So in that, what happened? He opened it. What he find? It said, God, of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. So now Lencho is writing to the God कि मैंने 100 पैसों मांगे थे, out of that I have only received 70 peso. But send me the rest since I need it very much. So he is saying कि I need it all the amount, so send me the rest amount also. But don't send it to me through the mail because the post office employ are a bunch of crooks. Lencho. So now he is saying to the God कि जो आप अब मनी भेजोगे तो मुझे मेल से मत भेजना, just send me directly because these people in the post office are crook. They are not good person, they are cruel person, they are stealing the amount according to him. So in this lesson we will find irony कि the person who is not existing, who is not alive, Lencho is showing faith in them. But the person who already did good deed to him, who is alive, he is cursing them, he is blaming them. So it is an irony. Again we will find one more irony, that rain. Initially when rain started, Lencho was happy for the same rain, but at the end that rain had brought disaster. Because Lencho was expecting rain for something good, but that rain had brought disaster to him. So this is the irony that is reflected in the lesson. Hope, my dear children, you have understood the lesson. So on the basis of your understanding, you have to do these questions. This is already given in your book. So let's have a look on this question. What did Lencho hope for? Say he hoped for rain. Why did Lencho say the raindrops were like new coins? Because they were different kind. This is a hailstorm, new coins. So this raindrop will give him more benefit if it will properly rain. So he was comparing that raindrop with the coins. How did rain change? What happened to Lencho's field? So rain changed to hailstorm and his field was destroyed. What happened Lencho's feeling when hail stopped? He felt that this year he will not have any kind of earning and he and his family is going to die with hunger, starvation. Who read the letter? Postman read the letter. What did postmaster do then? So postmaster did not want that writer's fate should deviate. So he thought of replying the letter and he collected the amount for him and he thought of sending to Lencho. Was Lencho surprised to find the letter for him with money in it? No, he was not at all surprised because he was having faith that he is going to have the letter. What made him angry? Because he received less amount. He received 730 peso less whatever he expected. So this made him angry. Okay children? So hope you have understood. Any doubt, please do call me up or message me. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.